क्योंकि ना मुझे भेजने पड़ेगा अगर कोई माल अगर मान लो कि डैमेज है कुछ भी. Okay, so this is the headlight. It is heavy. I think, I don't know how much is the weight. I think it's around 2 kgs. Connects here. It's heavy. Fuck. I'm holding my phone in one hand and the other one, I'm holding the headlight on the other hand. Let's see how I can fix it. So I am installing the harness for Vaishnu tuning headlight. So this coupler, I cannot fit it over here because there is no space. I already installed the Fuel X Pro, so this place has been occupied. So what I did is I opened this side panel from this part and I placed the coupler right over here. So I removed this coupler before, routing the wire from this hole, and then I put it over here. It's not moving. So once once this is done, I can put this cover back in and it will remain hidden, right? And the connector that goes to the battery, I routed the cable from this part and it goes here and it will connect to the positive terminal of the battery. The cable that goes to the battery positive side, I rerouted the cable underneath this bracket, then took it from here and it's now connected. I could not install this button on this part of the handle because it's quite thick. The only way I was able to fix it is by removing the fuel module a little bit side towards the edge, so it kind of like looks bent, and I put it over here. The cable has been routed through this hole, right, that goes from here and it comes out at the bottom. See? Yeah, there's the part. This is where it is. Now the harness is quite big, so I don't really worry about cable being short over here. Alright, I just unplugged the stock headlight and I just need to plug it in. Now the instruction, it says that you need to remove the rubber, which is by default installed on this bracket from Royal Enfield. And what I did is I routed the cable from here to this part, and the handle switch is already connected. Let's see. Alright, so the fitting is successful. The light is switched on. It's working right now. I'm successful to fit this light. It is working. It took me like 2 hours to get this set up. I have the tools, but obviously I don't have any experience to remove the tank. So I removed the tank for the first time, and I had to remove the cables and all those stuff. The routing is pretty good. I don't see any loose end. Obviously, this part, the harness part, wiring, it is kind of visible. You have a very prominent gap over here, which was there before, but not as you can see right now. Well, I could not comment about. I won't be able to comment right away about how the light's performance in. So guess I need to wait until it gets dark in the evening.